Hey.
He said like this.
Fuck. Who driving on the bike? Who the fuck is this?
That back door.
Who was you, nigga?
What's up, bro?
Look at bro hopped on this shit. Damn.
My bad, Puller. We took that nigga shit. They got another bike right there, Puller. Get that bike. Puller, get that bike, Puller. Puller, get that bike. Get that bike, Puller.
Damn, we snatched that nigga.
Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro.
Hey, who that?
Damn, man, they got me limping and shit, bro. Man, keep y'all hands off me, bro. God damn, bro.
I'm in that.